welcome back to Hassel Times. Today, I'm gonna answer the question of how the pi influences mathematics. In math, pi is used in various aspects, but not only in math, it is used in lots of different aspects, such as graphic design and standard life factors. Today, we will talk about why pi matters so much, why mathematicians care so much about pi, the history of pi, and the way it affects standard life. Let's begin. Let's talk about the history of pi first. The importance of pi has been recognized for at least 4,000 years. The history of pi notes include the Babylonians and the Egyptians were aware of the existence of the pi. Both the Babylonians and Egyptians had rough numerical approximations of the value of pi, and later, mathematicians in ancient Greece, particularly Archimedes, improved on those approximations. By the start of the 20th century, about 500 digits of pi were known. With the help of computers, we now know more than the first 6 billion digits of pi. Pi has been calculated in many ways, but one of the most interesting ways was by French mathematician Georges Buffon. Buffon calculated pi by using probability. Secondly, there are lots of experts that use pi in their calculations. Here are some examples. Space scientists use pi to put spacecrafts into orbit. Video game programmers use pi while rotating the items they made. Most programming languages use radians rather than degrees. Product engineers use pi while making their products round, also to make sure their calculations are correct. Architects use pi when they are making a building and need perfect curves. However, pi is not only used on the outside of the building, it is used on the inside as well. Interior architects use pi to make furniture. Thirdly, we will talk about why mathematicians care so much about pi. Pi touches infinity in other ways. For example, there are astonishing formulas in which an endless procession of smaller and smaller numbers adds up to pi. One of the earliest such infinite series to be discovered says that pi equals 4 times the sum you see on the screen right now. The appearance of this formula alone is cause for celebration. It connects all odd numbers to pi, linking number theory to circles and geometry. In this way, pi joins two seemingly separate mathematical universes. Now we will discuss our main topic. How does pi affect math so much? In geometry, pi is used in the formulas that calculate the area of a circle. Trigonometric functions such as sine and cosine also rely on pi. The periodic nature of these functions is defined by angles measured in radians, where one full rotation equals 2 pi radians. In this video, we explain the effects of pi, its importance, and the history behind it. And this is the end of our video. Please like our video and consider subscribing. As always, it was Hassel Times.